Chief Secretary of Manipur, Dr. J. Suresh Babu, stated that the financial year 2020-21 has a credit potential of Rs 2,376 crore. Chief Secretary made the statement while speaking during the State Credit Seminar 2020-21, held today at the Imperial Hall of Hotel Classic Grand. The seminar was organized by National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD, Manipur Regional Office. At least 15 Rohingya Muslim refugees died and many more were missing after a ship carrying about 130 people capsized at the Bay of Bengal today while trying to reach Malaysia, according to media reports. About 70 of those aboard the vessel were rescued alive. Sources informed the vessel were overpacked with people trying to illegally flee from campus near the resort town of Cox's Bazar in Bangladesh. Under the aegis of Ikal Abhiyan Manipur Bhag, the Imphal West Anchal Maklang Sanch today celebrated its first foundation day at the Sangaitel Awanglekai Community Hall. Lamsang MLA S. Rajan was the chief guest of the function. The death toll in China climbed above 1,000 as the World Health Organization cautioned that the spread of cases outside of China could be the spark that becomes a bigger fire, and said the human race must not let the epidemic get out of control. As per media report, Hubei province, the epidemic of the outbreak reported 103 deaths yesterday, the most in any single day, after 91 deaths on February 9. Manipur People's Party MPP President O. Jogindro has been stripped of his position by the party's Central Committee on corruption charges. The decision came following a party's Central Committee meeting today. Manipur police locked down the MPP office at Imphal, sensing trouble in the aftermath of the removal of Jogindro from the post of MPP president. All eyes today are on the national capital where votes counting is on for 2020 Delhi Assembly election results. Early trends for the Delhi election results showed the Aam Aadmi Party leading on nearly 50 seats. The BJP was leading on at least 20 seats while the Congress was seen drawing a blank. The primary contest of the 2020 Delhi election is between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party. Employees of District Early Intervention Centre under National Health Mission have demanded the government to clear their pending salaries of 11 months at the earliest. Talking to journalists at Dyke Building located at Dreams Complex, Imphal. The Barak Circle along the Jiri-Tipaimuk Road is lagging behind in terms of road connectivity, education sector and health facilities. TOMTV learned that Borobekra Gram Panchayat under Barak Circle is inhabited by different ethnic groups by Meitei, Naga, Kuki, Mar, Bengali, Vishnupriya and Khasi. The residents have sought the attention of the government over the shortage of infrastructure in the area. However, nothing concrete action has been taken up so far. The hearing in disqualification case against 7 state MLAs is underway at the Assembly Speaker's Tribunal. A few days ago, Speaker Y. Khemchand reserved the qualification case against Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar. The 25th death anniversary of former BJP leader Sahit Madhumangol was observed today at his Tera residence in Imphal. At the occasion organized by Sahit Madhumangol Foundation Imphal, the late leader's wife Satyabhama along with members and office bearers of the foundation were present. Floral tributes were offered to the photograph of the late leader. Fungia constituency MLA K. Lacio inaugurated a wetting shade cum market shed today at Yesum village of Ukhrul district. It was constructed under the 43 Fungyar MLA Local Area Development Program. Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Rio has said early resolution of Naga political issue has been the topmost priority of the People's Democratic Alliance government. As per media reports, in his concluding remarks in the discussion on the motion of thanks on Governor's address in the Assembly, Rio said it is clear that negotiations have concluded on a positive note. Altogether, 18 teachers from 5 colleges today joined the indefinite relay hunger strike launched by Phagokta at the DM College Multipurpose Hall, Imphal. The strike entered its 4th day today. The Federation of Government Teachers Association has demanded the Manipur government to implement UGC 7 Pay and Regulations 2018. US President Donald Trump and First Lady Melania Trump will visit India on February 24th and 25th, the White House said in a statement. According to media reports, Trump is expected to visit New Delhi and Ahmedabad during his 2-day visit. Reports also inform that President Trump and Prime Minister Modi have agreed that the trip will further strengthen the US-India strategic partnership and highlight the strong and enduring bonds between the Americans and Indians.